Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do another let's cook what's in my refrigerator type deal. I haven't been to the groceries in forever. I swear it's been forever. Just out of pure not wanting to go. But today we're going to make a meal, some form of food to eat out of something that I have in my refrigerator. Now my kids were over the weekend and we cooked out on the grill. I've got leftover hamburgers, hot dogs, brats, just a few things random in there. I've probably got some leftover chicken from Lee's. I don't know what we're gonna make, so let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Alright, so the only thing I was able to find in my refrigerator worth salvaging to cook was some already cooked hamburgers. So what I think I'm going to make is, because I already showed you the tomatoes, the tomato paste, the garlic, the onions, the beef stock, beef cubes, and beans. I think I'm going to make some like Southwestern type chilies. So I know Wendy's uses their old hamburger to make their chili with, so, and that's alright. So we're going to try to make some Southwest chili and see what it tastes like. So it'll be good. And if it's not that good, I also have a big old bowl of leftover shells and cheese, and then we can make like a chili mac if we wanted to. So I've got my onions and my garlic already cut up. So I'm going to go ahead and saute those in a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to get my stove on about medium. I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil in here because I'm going to saute those onions and garlic together real quick. It won't take long. A couple minutes. Go ahead and toss those in there. Just stir them around. I'm going to let them cook for just a couple minutes until they, you know, some of the rawness of the garlic cooks out. Get you over here a little bit. I'm going to cut my hamburger up. Some of this is hamburger, some of it's chopped steak. And these hamburgers were absolutely amazing on the grill. Like I said, we cooked on the grill over the weekend, and I really hate to see stuff like this go to waste, so, because it's so good, and it's meat. If you don't do something with it, it'll ruin. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple cans of the whole tomatoes in here. I didn't even know you could buy them like that. These are whole peeled. I know you can buy them whole, but I didn't know you could already buy them peeled, so I was like really impressed with that. I'm just going to break them up in here. They will break up some themselves, but I'm just going to give them a head start, not a heads up. I'll use a couple cans of these, and then I'll probably use a couple big tablespoons of, pour the juice in there, tomato paste. I don't normally put tomato paste in my chili because I like it a little bit thinner, but I'm going to use, like I said, I'm going to use maybe a couple beef cubes and some water in there as well. So that'll thin it out nicely. So I'm going to add just a couple big old teaspoons like that of the tomato paste. And I want that dissolved right into the tomatoes. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add our meat in there. I'd only planned on making a small pot of this, but it looks like it's going to be kind of a big pot, but that's alright. We can eat on it for a couple days. Now I'm going to let this cook long enough to break that meat up. I'm going to add some water to it. So I like my chili. I like it runny. I don't like it thick. And a beef cube. I have to add just a little bit more. That's why I added the tomato paste to, you know, to make it real the tomatoey consistent. And I'm going to add some of this Southwest 7 pepper seasoning. Chili powder. Onion flakes, just like you would regular chili. Give it a stir, and then some black pepper. I'm going to add just a few beans to it as well. These are raw beans. I'm just going to add a handful. There we go. You got to make sure you wash them first if you use the dry beans, because you know, they have those little rocks in them. Now, I'm going to let this go for probably about an hour, hour and a half, and then I'm going to see what else I need to add to it. My chili is done. My Southwest chili is done. It cooked for about an hour and a half. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not even going to lie. I am like super impressed with this. Super impressed. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. It turned out beautiful. And what I done is I took my little meat potato, my little mashed potato masher, you know, the ones that you use with your hands, and I kind of helped chunk that meat up along, you know, because I almost spilled this, because I didn't want my meat that chunky. It did break up, but I just took my little potato masher and mashed it up in there while it was cooking, and it turned out perfect. Let's go over to the light here. Never ceases to amaze me of some of the things that, you know, we can come up with when we're hungry. And we need to cook something quick and easy. I'm ready to try it. Spill it on my hands. Ma'am, if you like Southwestern flavors, you're gonna like this. Kind of puts me in mind, like I was telling you, how Wendy's they use their old hamburger. Well, you know what I mean. I don't know if it's like old, but they use their hamburger. That's what they use to make their chili with, and it has that same taste to it. That is so tasty. So tasty. I'm glad I've done it. I'm glad we've done this together. Man. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I did add, because I always do, just a little squirt of Frank's hot sauce to it while I was cooking, because I like hot sauce in my chili. And by little, I mean, I don't know, a couple tablespoons. I'm not gonna lie. One more bite. That is super good. You need to try it super soon. Guys, I know it's like 100 degrees outside, but I can eat chili, soup, you know, stews, anything like that all year round. I don't wait for it to get cold to make stuff like that, especially if that's all you have in your refrigerator. So next time you cook on the grill and have a lot of burgers left over, go ahead and give this a try. And, you know, just season to taste, season to taste. That's all you do. This is perfect. I like it. You're gonna like it. You know I love you so very much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Take care.